Okay, in this video we're going to look at a couple more examples of subtracting mixed numbers that require regrouping. And I've purposely written these out horizontally so that I can show you how to set them up. So in this first problem we have 7 minus 2 and 3/8. And I go ahead and draw my line dividing my whole numbers and my fractions on here. And I'm going to put the 7 in my whole number column, and this whole number doesn't have any fraction with it right now. That would be the same thing as like 7.0. So I'm going to put nothing over here. And my 2 has 3/8 with it. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take 3/8, but I'm trying to take it away from nothing over here. And I can't take 3/8 away from nothing. So this is where I'm going to have to do some regrouping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 7 right here and I'm going to make this a 6. And that one whole that I just took away from the 7, I'm going to move over to the fraction column. When that one whole becomes a fraction, it's going to take the denominator or the name of the fraction in the fraction column. In this case, it's going to be 8s. And it's going to be 8/8. And the reason it's 8/8 is because I took away one whole, I moved it over as a fraction, and as a fraction, one whole is equal to 8/8. So now that I'm ready to subtract, I would have 8/8 minus 3/8 gives me 5/8. And 6 wholes minus 2 wholes gives me 4 wholes. So my answer is 4 wholes and 5/8. In my next problem, I have 9 wholes minus 2/5. Again, I'm going to go ahead and set this up with the 9 in the whole number column, and it has no fraction with it, so there'll be nothing over here. And I'm going to put the 2/5 in the fractions column down here. It does not have any whole number with it, so it's just a fraction without any whole number. So here's my problem, 9 wholes minus 2/5. So I'm trying to take 2/5 away from nothing right here. And I can't take 2/5 away from nothing, so I'm going to have to do some regrouping. So I'm going to make this an 8. I'm going to take the whole away from the 9 right here, and I'm going to move that whole over to the fraction column. That whole in the fraction column is going to take the name of the denominator right here, so it's going to be fifths, and it's going to be 5/5 because it is a whole. So now I have 5/5 minus 2/5 gives me 3/5. And 8 wholes minus nothing still gives me 8 wholes. So my answer is 8 3/5.